Hello people, welcome back to another video on Itsmagame. So today we're gonna learn how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I have created a simple table to make you understand. I have serial number, quantity, product name and amount in the table. We're gonna apply the drop-down list in the product name. To do so, I have created few products. For an example, I have created phone as a product, headset, TV, mouse and USB. So these are the limited products which we have in our store. I'm showing this on an example basis. We can add how much ever you can and how much ever the products you have. So due to add the drop down list, you need to go to first you need to select the cell in which you are going to add the drop down list, and then go to data, click on data validation. There are two ways to do so. One is the way which I am showing right now. Other way also I'm gonna show after this. So after selecting, select this list from a range and select the data range, guys. I have the data range. I have selected it, and I will click on OK, and I will click on save. So boom, I have a drop down list in my product name, and I am going to select this as TV, and I will do select the list, select the whole table and do Control D, and will delete this stuff, and will select this as headset, we'll select this as mouse. We can do whatsoever, what is the product, depending on the product we can do, and we can do whatsoever we can. And there's other way too, I will show that also. Just a second, let me remove the list, drop down list. Okay, the other way is the same thing. Select a cell which you want the drop down list, and go to data validation and select the second option, list of items. So the items you need to enter one by one. So I will start entering by phone, and will enter comma, and will have space, and will enter the second product, and space comma space will enter third product, and press save, and we'll do select the other cells, and we'll do Control D, and boom, we have the same thing which we did. Okay guys, this is it, and if you have any query or doubts regarding this, you just leave the comment on the comment section. I will try to reply your comments. Okay guys, peace, see you in the next video.